Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reproduce the color brown matter by Wilson and Newton. Unfortunately, Wilson and Newton watercolors are expensive and sometimes it's not worth buying the color if you don't use it much. So, let's try to reproduce this beautiful color that I like to use in my floral watercolors. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge, we'll use watercolor, brush, color wheel, and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color brown matter. The predominant color is a vibrant reddish brown. Let's use the color wheel to see which color we start with. We know that complementary colors, that is, colors that are opposite each other on the wheel, when mixed together create neutral brown tones. We saw that the desired color is pulled towards the reddish tone, so let's mix the opposite colors on the wheel, red and green. For those who don't know how to use the color wheel, I'll leave the link to my video color theory here in the description. We can create this color in two different ways. We can use burnt amber, which can be made from red, yellow, and green. There's a video on my channel where I teach how to reproduce this color. I'll leave the link in the description. Or we can use red and green to create brown and fix the color's vibrancy with yellow. Decide to use the color burnt amber and then correct it by adding more or less red and yellow. Let's test it. Needs more red. To red, I want more vibrancy. To correct the red's vibrancy a little, I add yellow. Turned out great. So this is how I create the colors I need. I analyze the color, use the color wheel, and go through trial and error until I reach the desired color or very close to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create the color brown matter in watercolor. Now it's your turn to make this color. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.